Hello friends, in this video of Microsoft Excel function, we are going to calculate maximum and minimum value in a provided range. We will also discuss that how to calculate the maximum and minimum based on some specific criteria. Now to calculate that, we have this example of an hospital or a ward where we have gender of the patients admitted, date of admission of the patients and date of discharge of these patients. We will calculate number of days of admission by subtracting date of admission from date of discharge. So this will give us the total number of days for which the individual person was admitted in that specific hospital or ward. Now we need to calculate that what is the maximum duration for which a patient was admitted. For that, we will use the function max and we provide this range as criteria or to calculate the value and we press enter. So it says that the maximum number or days of admission is 16 days, which is this one. Similarly, for minimum days of admission, we will use the function min or mean and provide this range to calculate the value and press enter. So it will say that minimum duration of stay was 3 days. Now suppose we want to apply some criteria in calculation, like it has been provided here that we need to calculate maximum and minimum days of admission separately for male and female, as well as for those cases who were admitted after 10th of May. So for that, we can use the function maxifs, in which first we need to provide the range for which the maximum would be calculated. Then we need to provide the first criteria range. Here it will be for the gender and the criteria would be male. Second criteria range is date of admission, because we need to calculate that for the admission that has happened after 10th of May. And the criteria here is this one. Complete the parenthesis and press enter. So it says that in those admissions that has happened after 10th of May and for males, the maximum duration of stay is 14 days. Now if we want to calculate maximum number of days of stay for females, we can simply copy this function from the formula bar and paste it here, and we will just replace the criteria for gender from male to female and press enter. So it says that for females admitted after 10th of May, maximum duration of stay is 15 days. Similarly, for calculating minimum stay, we have the function of meanifs and we will provide the range, this one for minimum calculation, this is the criteria range and this is the first criteria, this is the criteria range 2 and this is the second criteria. Press enter. It says that minimum duration of stay for males admitted after 10th of May is 3 days. Similarly, for the calculation of female, we can paste the formula here and replace the criteria for gender with female and press enter. So it says that minimum duration of stay for females admitted after 10th of May is 9 days. So this is one of the simplest formula available in Microsoft Excel, but it is very much useful when you want to calculate this kind of data. Kindly like the video and share it. Comment if you would have any issue while applying this formula. I am sharing this datasheet for practice in the description. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive all the video updates from this channel. Thank you.